Hey everyone, I'm back in the woods. I thought I would get up this morning and explore some of Skokie, beautiful native Illinois land of Skokie, Illinois. And yeah, it's just a beautiful day. It's a little chilly today. It's like mid-November almost, and the trees are pretty much almost dead for sure. I mean, the leaves are somewhat green here, but there's a lot of trees that are basically empty. So I thought this would be a really good day since it's sunny out and beautiful blue sky to come out, take some photos, get a little hiking, and get the drone out before it's too late. Before you know it, won't be able to do all this. You can hear the train. The Skokie Swift is literally right over there. Trees are completely bare. Some trees are a little yellow. Like here's a nice yellow one right here. You can see it. But it's cool. Nice little resource here. It's a Skokie Park District facility. So, way to go, Skokie. Thank you for that.